In this short tutorial, I'll guide you on fixing the issue of not receiving the Supercell Idaho verification code on your iPhone. It can be frustrating when attempting to log in or enable account protection, but the verification code fails to arrive. Not to worry though, as there are simple steps to resolve this issue. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find the option labeled Mail. Tap on it, then tap on Accounts, and ensure that the email address linked to your Supercell Idaho is active. Toggle on the switch next to the Mail option to enable it. Once done, exit the Settings app and open the Mail app to locate the email containing the Supercell Idaho verification code. If you still haven't received the verification code, you may need to disable any VPNs connected to your iPhone. Open the Settings app, tap on General, then scroll down to VPN, toggle off the switch to disable the VPN. If none of these steps work, you'll need to contact Supercell support. Open any Supercell game, such as Clash of Clans, tap on the Settings button, then Help and Support followed by Account. Tap on the chat icon to initiate a conversation with automated support. That concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.